This is a natural language tool that has the ability to learn language and is fast to adapt to the user or service you need. This is alitubetech. To explain this clearly, we are going to refer to John, the famous entrepreneur, who wants to start a company with his personal development mobile app to connect restaurants with customers, buying and selling. Although he was ready for this program, John said, the problem is to uniting a group of people. To start, he needs different people to product promotion, product planning, and customer support. Recruiting reliable manpower while sticking to his budget was difficult. That led him to pass the idea on to his friend Ryan. He was the one who said that John could start his own company, no hiring new people. Thanks to it, only one tool based on AI, artificial intelligence. Just what John couldn't believe drove Ryan introducing chatgpt, the conversation revolution. Revolution of AI is developed by OpenAI. That's how state-of-the-art natural language processing, or the NLP model it uses, neural net networks provide results. This means that chatgpt can answer questions without being told. Well, in return it uses. Its intelligence is different from the first AI talking bots. So how does chatgpt help John? By completing his team on sales, chatgpt can provide complete sales pitches based on real needs that can advise on how to improve your sales. By doing this, no training is needed in terms of sales at all, for your requirements. If you don't like some of the results, you can request some changes and chatbots will make sure it's done. When it comes to chat marketing, chatgpt can provide effective marketing strategies that can help new job seekers who want to know how to market their products to potential customers. Can provide keyword marketing to investors, which they can use for SEO purposes. When they provide ad copy for your website and blog about the website, for John can do the heavy lifting and launch conversations. chatgpt can help to check the code and help when looking for bugs to fix. In addition to fixing the basic bugs, it can also provide examples of the layout of different programming languages. It will allow John to focus more on improving the startup, performance and quality of work instead of fixing basic website code and content errors, which will greatly assist in gathering potential customer leads. A revolutionary robot that can provide quick payment confirmations in seconds allows continued customization, such as choosing the length of items on a difficult language for John's customers. He can prepare comprehensive customer service emails based on the situation and resources. The voice of the message can be changed to reflect the nature of the message. That creates a better way for employees. John wanted to implement it immediately, but Ryan did everything possible to make John aware. Some of the disadvantages of chatbots, before we begin. Understanding is limited to nature, although it provides answers to life's problems. Some and even most of the answers can be questioned since the invention of AI. He is still learning and improving every day. He gains new things. There is a part of the community that believes that a new tool like chatgpt may one day replace Google, but that day seems to be not yet come, because of the various problems people continue to face with using chatgpt. Let's ask ourselves these questions. In the following tasks which cannot be done by chatgpt: 1. To provide update information. 2. Calculate complex numbers. 3. Response to food prices. 4. None of the above. Think about it and leave your answers. Leave a comment and we will give the answer. Depends on the answer you gave in the comment. Subscribe and share for give me a chance to join the YouTube partner program. Yet chatgpt offers the most promise for the future of AI, since in the field full of technological expertise as a complete digital assistant, AI is to create robots of the future in order to solve today's problems with tomorrow's tools. The ability to perform countless tasks and fewer employees will increase productivity in organizations in every sector. Thanks to chatgpt. Now, how do you think chatgpt will be useful? Your daily life. You look forward to using robots regularly at work or in your personal life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We hope you enjoy this video. Click subscribe if you haven't done it. It would be greatly appreciated, and share this video so that it reaches far. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more on alitubetech.